Welcome to JumpseatSMS, a robust and intuitive approach to safety management. JumpseatSMS incorporates data from safety reporting, hazard reporting, risk and change management, and audit management, and analyzes safety trends on the analytics dashboard by incorporating embedded frameworks for occurrences, hazards, and causal factors. Let's begin. Raising a safety report within your organization starts with a single click from the user's dashboard. Users can raise safety reports for occurrences during and outside of aircraft operations, as well as hazard reports, each with their own flow. Here, we see a safety report detailing an engine failure during aircraft operations, reported by a member of the Flight Ops Department. In 3 simple steps, the report is recorded and sent to the safety manager for action. Additionally, the reporter is kept in the loop for every status change for the report to ensure a level of transparency in the reporting process, both by email and by dashboard alerts. The safety investigation workflow is designed to enable a data-centric approach to evaluating safety trends using the embedded causal factor framework. The JumpseatSMS Risk Evaluation Tool, or JRET, evaluates organizational risk by analyzing the data points gathered from the safety report and the safety investigation. The operator can choose to use the risk profile evaluated by JRET or add the operator evaluation. With the risk level identified, the safety manager would need to make a risk tolerability decision by assessing if risk is ALARP. If risk mitigation is required, the SAR workflow would be incorporated, wherein either the safety manager can raise the SARs or add action owners to raise SARs. The risk level post-risk mitigation will take into account the effectiveness of the safety actions taken. This last step will record effectiveness and close the report. The safety investigation report can be downloaded in its complete form or de-identified. JumpseatSMS can be used to manage and record hazards identified through change management, wherein pertinent risk evaluators can be added to evaluate the associated operational activity and identify operational hazards. This workflow will update the summarized risk form that is extractable in PNG, Excel, and PDF format. JumpseatSMS Audit Management enables the auditor to plan, manage, and track audits and associated findings within the system. The operator is given the ability to configure audit frequencies for recurrent or ad hoc audits, and configure cap and CAR due dates acceptable to the operator based on risk posed by the findings. The audit plan will have all planned audits in one place and can be filterable to view the audits required. The audit plan can also be viewed and extracted in calendar format. All pre-audit activities can be actioned from the audit plan. Once the audit report is started, the associated audit details can be added to include the checklists used. Findings identified will follow the CAR workflow with automated notifications sent to the auditor and personnel responsible. All findings identified are categorized as hazards and will also be updated on the organizational hazard register. All users will have access to their operational dashboard, and the data provided on the dashboard is permission-based. Safety and quality managers will be able to view key metrics in addition to actions due on their dashboard. All users have visibility to their assigned and submitted reports, SARs, CARs, audits, and risk assessments, alongside a 10-day calendar of action items due and quick access to the relevant section. All statuses are color-coded for easy understanding. The Analytics dashboard provides detailed analysis of safety trends and safety performance indicators that can be normalized either by flight hours or flight cycles. The alert triggers and targets for the SPIs are set by the operator. The Analytics dashboard also provides organizational stats of all data collected through JumpseatSMS. Normalized data and organizational stats can be filtered and extracted to suit your needs. If you're ready to simplify your operation, please contact us at JumpseatSMS@mba.aero or visit us at JumpseatSMS.aero to learn more.